to share with you a couple of the items that I have made, and I'm still making more, that will go with my mini album, my attaché mini album giveaway and paper collection giveaway for blush. And so, I went ahead and made this really cute basket using a die from my stash, and as you can see here, I went ahead and added a little butterfly, and that butterfly is from yours truly, this set of dies right here. And if you are interested in this, I will go ahead and leave you with a link in the description area of my YouTube video. It is from my Dainty Dreams die collection. It's an entire collection that I have for craft stash. So yeah, I went ahead and used that die for this, and oh my gosh, it turned out so cute. And I just love the way this turned out, because you figure, spring and so forth, it reminds you of, well, it reminds me of picnics and whatnot. And so this is what it looks like. And once again, I've used watercolor paper to make it very sturdy. Alrighty, and of course this little box is going to have a few goodies in there. Another thing that I made for the winner is this cute embellished balloon, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon using a die from my stash. I believe it's Spellbinders. And so once again, this is to show off my blush paper collection, and I'll go ahead and link you to that too in the description down below if you're interested. It turned out really cute. I did use watercolor paper, and this is going to go inside of a goodie bag. And for the goodie bag, I went ahead and used this bag topper from my stash. It is a very simple bag topper, and so what I did here was I actually cut two, one using watercolor paper and the other one using my blush paper collection. And so since it only had just one row of hearts, I wanted to go ahead and add a second row, and that is exactly what I did here to to give it more oomph, to make it prettier. And again, I used my butterfly die for Craft Stash & Co. Excuse me, Dainty Dreams, there you go, featuring Sandy Nagel and so forth. And then I used this banner die from my stash, and so I popped it up a little bit. It looks really cute. So this is going to go on the goodie bag for this. And I just wanted to show you these things. I do have another video coming out on the 15th that shows you another thing that'll be added to the price tag for this giveaway. I just love how this turned out. Anywho, so if you want to know about the rules of my giveaway, you just basically have to be a visible subscriber over the age of 18. And I'll go ahead and copy and paste all the rules and everything in the description area below. So thumbs up this video, leave me a nice comment, and let me know if you are interested in entering my giveaway. And so, just please enter me, and I'll see you once again in the next video. Bye.